Let's now see how we can use all this knowledge in practice. Let's say I want to implement Shadcn UI library into our project. This is a modern library for UI for Next.js that has a lot of different existing components. And so we have some get started guide, and let's just copy the link to this get started guide, add it here, and say, I want to use Shadcn UI library in this app. I want you to install it, install necessary components, and rewrite UI code to use its components. We can tag page.tsx, layout.tsx, and globals CSS. So we can tag files we mostly wanted to focus on. What we also can tag is we can tag Shadcn UI documentation. Just start typing Shadcn UI. This documentation will now be included. And let's run the agent. The agent is ready. Let's check the result. So you see a bit different interface. Let's say we just type some random text here. Okay, so some weird paddings here. And we also see quite send button is aligned kind of weirdly. So what we can do is we can make a screenshot of this thing. Go to cursor, add it to the contact and say, fix paddings in messages, make them reasonable, fix send button layout. The agent has finished. Okay, and the paddings are now way better, I think. And the send button is also aligned better. So I think we are good for now.